Hello, today we will guide you through how to sign into CapCut PC with an email or Google account. To get started, open the CapCut app on your computer. Once the app launches, give it a moment to fully load so all menu options appear properly on screen. This is the main starting point for accessing your account and syncing your projects, templates, or saved settings. When CapCut is open, look to the top left corner of the window and click on Sign In. This will open the sign in area where you can choose how you want to access your account. If you are signing in for the first time on this device, this step is what brings up the available login options. Make sure you are clicking the Sign In button in the app itself, not anywhere else on your desktop. After that, click on the menu at the top left. This menu helps reveal additional sign-in methods and account options. If the interface looks slightly different on your version of CapCut, do not worry. The placement may vary a little depending on updates, but it should still be near the top left area of the app window. From the menu, click on Sign In with Google. This option is useful if you want a faster login experience using a Google account that you already have access to. Once selected, CapCut will usually open a browser window or a secure sign-in prompt so you can continue the process safely. Then follow the on-screen procedure to complete the sign-in. This may include selecting your Google account, confirming permissions, or entering your email login details if prompted. Read each screen carefully and continue through the approval steps until CapCut confirms that you are signed in successfully. If your browser asks for permission to return to the app, allow it so the login can finish properly. If you are trying to sign in with email instead, the sign-in screen may also provide that option depending on your version of the app. In that case, simply continue by following the prompts shown on screen in the same way. Once completed, you should be logged in and ready to use CapCut on your PC. If something does not load right away, waiting a few seconds or reopening the sign-in window can help. And that's it. You now know how to sign in to CapCut PC with an email or Google account.